Good morning, Maguire's Auto Family. Today we have here a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT package. And today we're gonna go over the interior, exterior, and engine components of this model. So for this model, we do have a lot of special equipment packages I will go over in this video. We're looking at here remote starts, and that's on the fob here. And that sound is from a 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6. We're pushing about 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Coming up to the tailgate here, we do have a 5.5 foot bed, fit with its own bed liner here. For fuel economy numbers, we're looking at 19 city, 24 high. And for seating, we're looking at a 6-seater here, so we do have a full seat in the middle there. All fabric, so easier to clean. And for infotainment, we're looking at Ford's Sync 3 system. We do have a navigation on this specific package. Also, we're looking at 46,000 miles on the odometer. Pricing I will be listing below. Now, something I found pretty special for this particular model, we do have Ridge Grappler tires here, and this setup is definitely for off-roading. You can see it there in the tread. The previous owner definitely took care of this model. Thank you for watching my review on the 2018 Ford F-150. My name's Orlando, and we'd love to have you here at Maguire's Ford in Lincoln.